Ducati Pacifica is the official Ducati club in the Pacific Northwest Portland area. There's a couple more in Seattle, but we're the Portland area, Oregon one. This weekend we're doing a tire clinic and adventure riding campout. We did some off-roading, did a little water crossing, having a good time.
Like it says, like, you know, go break shit and get dirty and don't ever iron anything ever. Like shit. Like,
yeah.
I was checking and I made the joke about.
You're not gonna get your rims on you. You're gonna. Because you're gonna.
I heard this is one of those games where like Pop goes the Diesel.
Yep. Exactly.
Keep going! Yeah!
Good. We're the first ones.
Made it. I figured I'd put it here because I didn't know if people were gonna.
I got ice, I got beers,
Ooh.
I got snacks.
I don't suppose I can crack one of those beers, can
That's
I?
what I'm doing. I got whiskey if you want something stronger. Made it. Good job.
We are in the Painted Hills and the John Day Valley and in the Fossil Bed National Monument kind of area. So I call it dinosaur country. And we are elbow deep in dinosaur country right now.
How's the weekend been going?
The weekend's been going amazing. It's been going great.
How's the riding?
The riding's been epic, and I'm so not surprised because I know it's amazing, but I haven't ridden a lot of the off-road sections that we've enjoyed. So I couldn't say more about how much fun it is. It's been incredible.
What was your favorite part about the tire changing clinic?
Tire changing clinic was amazing. It's literally part of the reason I changed plans so that I could be here this weekend. I experienced a flat out on the road last year while I was traveling through Canada, and I didn't have all the right tools I needed. Even if I had had the tools, I wouldn't have known how to use them. So for me, the goal was to learn how to use these tools. We literally took the tire off my bike, which kind of freaked me out, but I'm so glad we did, because now I feel confident that in any given situation, I know what to do. I know how to use the tools I have. And it felt like a daunting task, and now it feels like a very achievable thing to just tackle if I needed to. So I'm super grateful for Tire Clinic and friends who show up and let us hammer away at things and plug tires and do all the stuff, because you need that practice before it happens out in the world. Trust me, I know. I just want to say, go ride, go do the things. We had all skill levels on this trip. Everybody did an amazing job and had a good time and supported each other. If you're like even thinking about, could I do it? The answer is yes. Can do it. Get out here, get with some homies, borrow some gear, borrow a bike. That's what one person did for the trip, and they had a blast. So yeah, just get out and do the thing. Come join us. Come ride. It's fun. It's great.
We are out here riding in the painted hills. We are surrounded by beauty. Everyone is feeling connected. Everybody is accomplishing. Fuck.